Well, one of the problems this week is going to be the wind, I think. A fairly mild west to southwesterly wind to begin with, but those winds will switch round as the week goes on. What we have at the moment, though, is a fully blown gale from the southwest. It really is quite a wild and woolly day across many parts of the country. But eventually, for the second half of the week, we're going to find that wind switching round. Now, an area of low pressure will move across northern Scotland and away into the North Sea. So timing of this is rather difficult at the moment, but sometime in the second half of the week, we will see a drop in temperature as we see Arctic winds returning from the north. Well, it's a pretty wild day, as I say, at the moment. Heavy rain and gales affecting many parts of the country. Northern Ireland, Scotland, Northern England and Wales are seeing the worst of it just now, with some heavy rain, southwesterly gales too, winds gusting up to 50 or 60 miles an hour. But things will ease down during the afternoon. And down across the south here, those winds are going to be pretty mild, so a mild night coming up tonight, and indeed mild tomorrow as well, with more rain to come. Now, we've seen plenty of sunshine so far, but that sunshine will fill in across many places as this extensive and rather heavy rain, with some snow on quite modest hills across Scotland, begins to make further progress southwards during the rest of the day. So, pretty wet day to come for many. The southeastern part will stay bright. The north also will brighten up with some sleet and snow showers running across central and northern Scotland today. Temperatures are alright, about 9 to 11 degrees, but nearer 6 or 7 across the north. Now, there will be a further pulse of heavy rain moving in from the west tonight, so a wet night to come for many of us as far north as southern Scotland. Again, the north of Scotland will see a touch of frost with some wintry showers in the west, and a real family of depressions coming in the next 36 hours, so some wet and windy weather, especially across southern parts for the next couple of days. I think it will tend to brighten up a little bit, especially in the shelter of those southwesterly winds during tomorrow, and more northern parts generally will see brighter skies for the afternoon. A warm sector with us on Tuesday, so again windy and again wet for many, although northwestern parts should begin to brighten up with the wind switching round slowly in the second half of the day. And then we'll begin to see that change as we get through to Wednesday. An area of low pressure up to the north of Scotland, that wind still strong and there'll be gales in some places, and we will find the outbreaks of rain gradually turning to sleet and snow, especially across Scotland during the course of the day. Temperatures around about 6 to 10 degrees. Low pressure still with us in the northeast on Thursday and Friday, so we'll see sunshine and wintry showers begin to feed south across many parts of the country by then. Instead of 13 degrees in the southeast by the end of the week, I think we're looking at about 8 degrees generally, and still a gale-force northerly wind affecting those northern parts of the country right the way through to the weekend. So rather a mixed bag and a big change in store. That's it from me. Cheerio.